Hello everyone, this is Les and I'm a sales application engineer at Listen. Like many of you, I'm working from home, but pleased to be online to continue to provide excellent service and support you've come to expect from us. I thought this would be a great time to remind everyone about the SoundCheck demo version. Whether you're a power user or a novice, there are some things worth exploring in the demo version. Some quick things about the SoundCheck demo version. Here's what you can and cannot do. You can preview all features, recall open and print data, and run sequences. You can't create or save steps in sequences. You can't make precision audio measurements. That's because data is randomized up to plus and minus 5 dB in this version. There are two ways to access the SoundCheck demo version. If you have a licensed SoundCheck install, you will find the SoundCheck demo in your SoundCheck folder. This version will run without a SoundCheck license key. If you are not a licensed SoundCheck user, you can request a download from Listen's website. When working from home, you may not have access to your Listen hardware interfaces, reference mics, or reference speakers. You may want to establish temporary audio input and output for use with the demo. If so, try using your PC's onboard mic and speaker. Results may not be pretty, but you'll have audio I/O. Set the sound control panel, mic, and speaker to 100% and try these settings for starters. So why the demo version? Here's a few ideas. So maybe you want to improve your SoundCheck skills. Your lab has a limited number of licenses and you'd like to install SoundCheck on your work-from-home computer and perform some deeper exploration of SoundCheck's capabilities. SoundCheck installs a large sample of demo sequences, all with PDF sequence notes. With work-from-home time, now might be a great time to explore new test applications in SoundCheck. So here's a pro tip. Check out our vast collection of training videos online and become your company's SoundCheck wizard. You can open and view SoundCheck data. Perhaps you have a VPN to a server where you can collect SoundCheck data. You can also use the recall step to import data into the memory list. Once in the memory list, you can perform analysis, post-processing, etc. Same as if you acquired the data through Listen hardware. Let me show you two examples. First, I'll import curves into my memory list. And let's look at them on a graph. I'll open offline statistics. I'll select the imported curves and note that I can perform a number of statistics, like best or worst fit to average, max or min. In this case, I'll get the average of the selected curves. And voila! Let's look at that on a separate graph. This operation has many uses, including averaging of large samples of curves for setting pass or fail limits, or perhaps you want to calculate your daily or weekly average to assure your calibration is not drifting. From the Sequence window step template library, use a recall step to recall your data into SoundCheck. Again, once recalled, you can perform the same processes like analysis, post-processing, etc. on this data, same as if you performed the data acquisition through Listen hardware. Lastly, maybe you want to preview a new SoundCheck 18 feature or a new module you've been holding out on. For example, multitone analysis or intermodulation distortion. The demo version allows you to explore the example sequences that might have a module dependency that's not on your SoundCheck license. If that demo version compels you to add a module to your license, mention this video and we'll give you 10% off through June 1st, 2020. Contact your Listen sales engineer or Listen rep. So those are a few ideas with the SoundCheck demo version. Again, a useful tool that will improve your work from home quality of life. Let us know your thoughts and thanks.